Today is the Royal Rumble match, and this I'm Cool Albert Henson, and let's start the Royal Rumble match. Number 1, it's the Undertaker. It's the Undertaker. It's the Undertaker. Undertaker. Number 2 will be it's Roman Reigns. I'm Roman Reigns. I'll take down this guy. Spear. One against it. He's going up through his spear. 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 Catching flies. It's Bray Wyatt. I'm Bray Wyatt. Sister Abigail. I hate you, Bray Wyatt. Get out of the video. Move that way. And I can't. Okay. Bray Wyatt. I can't hear you. Stupid. Sister Abigail. Okay. Spear. Another spear. Number 2. Let's see who this will be. It's the Tempting Warrior. Sheamus. Then in the ring. It's about to do it. Dude, Sheamus. I'm Sheamus sometimes. Shinsuke Nakamura. Shush, don't talk. Shinsuke Nakamura. Yeah, man. Undertaker with the choke and the miss. Yeah, man. Choke and miss. Yeah, man. Oh! Choke slam. Done. Here comes the face of America. The face of America has entered. Papa Power Bomb. And Sheamus gets eliminated right in front of the screen. And Shinsuke Nakamura, Kinshasa. Shinsuke eliminates Kevin. Seth, here comes Seth. Oh, chop again. Wow, it's Big Show and Cesaro. Slap. Big Show. Big boom right to Bray Wyatt. Done. Oh my God, what is it? The Beast. It's the Beast. Brock Lesnar. We're going to Suplex City. Suplex. F5. He's gonna break the ring. Oh my God. F5. And then the sheep's out. Big sheep's out. Kane. The block. Kane and CM Punk. Chokes. The last entrance is AJ Styles with a phenomenal forearm. AJ with spear eliminates Cesaro. Now it comes down to AJ. The phenomenal forearm. Oh my God, AJ Styles is your winner. AJ Styles is going to WrestleMania. No, they don't want